This isn't supposed to dance, but it does.
Hey, welcome back to the channel.
Last year we made a Build-It Snowman, and this year we wanted to make something that moved. No electronics, no motors, just motion using 3D printing. So today, we're revealing our Dancing Reindeer and walking you through the design, prints, and the assembly that made this idea possible. Let me show you.
For the design, we start off with an oval-shaped body, add the muzzle and head, and smile because it's Christmas. You put a place for the nose, put in the eyes, and you can't forget the antlers and ears. Then you've got yourself a reindeer. We also have to make it dance, so you need to put in arms and legs and snap together pieces to let them move. Once you have all that, you get it printed. Since reindeer are mostly brown, I chose a brown PLA for the majority of the print and black PLA for the smile. After printing all the pieces, we added masking tape to some of the parts so we could paint some pieces to add character and definition and a little Christmas personality to the reindeer by using a little CA glue to attach the shiny red nose. Now we take the snap together pieces to attach the arms and legs to the body. And after everything is attached, you complete the look with adding a smile and taking some string to loop it through, where all there's left to do is test it out and dance. So what do you think? Is this a fun family activity that you'd like to try this holiday season? Let us know in the comments. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.